Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, Friday the 13th of June 2014, we're looking at the CFDs, gold, SPX500, US30, German 30 and US oil. We're looking at on the daily chart. Yes, we'll be starting off with the German 30. Yesterday I forgot to actually include the German 30 and cut short quite quickly, so sorry about that, traders, and let's go back now to the necessary information. Before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine, so let's go to the charts. German 30, this is the following the index of the Germany, and where are we in terms of the wave count? Basically, let me take it from the monthly chart, and then you can have a better feel where we are. We're in a wave 5. There's 3, 4, and when the 5th wave off the largest wave degree, which is the cycle degree. Let's take that down now to the daily chart. So the subwave of the cycle degree is the primary, which is in red, and there's wave 2, there's 0, 1, 2 had hit the 78.6 level, and we're in a wave 3 up. Wave 3, where we projected wave 3. Wave 3 is at this level, 161.8 at this point here. So marked off that level of the wave 3 of the primary, and the 100% as well has been marked off. So where do we stand thereafter? When we look at the further waves down, we can actually see that so the subwaves are the intermediate, which is on a 1, 2, 3. There's the third wave, and then we have the minor wave, which also is in a 1, 2, 3, and the 4th is there. So in the 4th wave down, we had missed, the price had slightly missed our target just by a pip here, and as subsequently we would come out of that trade at the top of wave 3, and at the 261 level, to complete the minor wave 3, and of course completing the wave 5 of the minute degree. Minute degree is blue and in circles with Roman numbers, and we were kicked into our trade at that particular point on the wave 4 of the minute degree, which is here, and then we were meant to come out of the trade at that point on the wave 5, at the end of wave 5, completing the wave 3 of the minor degree. We missed it by a pip. Once again, we need to learn from this and just probably put our stop limit orders maybe 1 pip or 2 pips below. Right now, what we're now waiting for is price to come down, right, and go for the wave 4 of the minor degree, right? So we've mapped it at 38.2 level. We've got an entry. We've already been kicked into one entry, which we have at the 23.6 level. Whoops, just show that to you. Yeah, at the 23 level at 9890. We've got another entry at the 38.2 level at 9794. stop losses based on EW Elliott Wave rules. We've got it at the 9597, a little bit deeper than expectations, but still a validation for us accordingly. Notice currently now how the price is kind of hovering at that 23 level right now, where our entry is. Probably an indecision, pin bar kind of outlook. So we've got two trades in. One we should have been kicked out, this one, which we rode the wave 4 up for the wave 5, didn't come out, missed it by a couple of pips, and then we came down to ride the larger wave degree 4, which is this one, for completion of the wave 5, right? So where do we stand right now with this? We stand right now looking to be able to take our necessary exits along the way. This target, this entry here, will take out this target, 161.8. This entry here, which we're already in the trade for, will take out this exit. And as price goes up, it's of course going to take out that level. So that's that for this particular thing. We can see SSD also. If we just have a look, at SSD, it's in the overbought area. We've seen a cross down. We understand that. That's that movement down. Prices come down, held on that level, even at this Fibonacci point. Could see some more movement down. Today is Friday, and we could actually see the price go back up again, because that entry level is a viable entry for a wave 4. So we're on the daily chart, and you know, we can see, if we look carefully at our Fibonacci levels, everything's looking very on the ball. With regards to our Tiger Ultimate system, which is these series of lines, as you can see, kindly note how things have started to expand out, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this target to be taken, and ultimately later on that target to be taken. If we have marked off the 100% level for the primary, which is the larger wave of the intermediate. The 100% level has been taken out, but that doesn't mean that's where we're going to end. So therefore we can only but assume that the levels will go much higher for the primary, and more than likely it's going to go to the 161.8. That's how it is. Okay, let's move to gold now. Gold, where do we stand on that? Let me give you from the larger wave degree. We have an A, B, we're in a C wave down for a cycle which is black, and the subwaves are the primary, which is completed 1, 2 at the high here, past the 78.6, and on a wave 3 downwards. When we break down the structure even further, we can get into the intermediate, which is green and in brackets, 1, 2, and wave 3, we're in a wave 3. We marked off the 100% level at 1214.08 and the 161.8 level, which is similar or very close to the 100% level of the primary. So that would be interesting to mark. So I've marked off the 161.8, which is the extension for wave 3 of the intermediate, and the higher wave degree is at the 100%. As you can see, the difference there is very small and minute. When now we look at the subwaves of the intermediate is the minor, that's in pink. So there's 0, 1, 2, and we're in a wave 3 down, right? So the wave 3 down, we've marked the 161.8 level at 1214. That's what we marked it off at. And when we break down that wave count, we go to the minute, which is blue and in circles and in Roman numbers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So what we can see now is the structure of the wave 3 completion, and we've gone up for the wave 4, which is, let me expand that a little bit bigger so you can actually see it. So there's the wave 4, and as you can see, that hit past, hasn't closed past the 50% level, but still a validation kind of area that we can take down. We know the 100% level will be here, but that will fall short, and therefore we're looking for the 161.8 level to come out these trades. We took three trades, sorry, and 2 of them taken at 1255.81. The first one was taken at 126758. This particular trade is 706 in negative, and the other 2 trades are much higher, 1863 negative. That's points. When we talk monetary value, that's £10, £10.86 each, and the first trade is £4.28, and those are all negative. So right now we're looking for to continue our movement down. Price is retraced on a pullback for the wave 4 to complete down, to complete for the wave 5 of the minute, which is blue in circles, and therefore will complete the wave 3. When that has happened, all our 3 trades at the 161.8 level will be taken out, and then what we're going to do, we're going to look for the pullback for the wave 4. We'll look for the pullback for the wave 4 at the 23.6 level or 38.2 level, and then ride that wave down to complete its wave 5, which therefore will complete at the same time the wave 3 off the intermediate, which is in green in brackets. And that's how we're going to take these necessary trades on the way down. Need a little bit more confirmation, as you know, but that's not a problem. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next instrument, the SPX500, which follows the S&P 500. And where do we stand right now with the necessary counts? I'll give it to you. I'll have to go to the monthly. So on the larger degree, we can see taking it from the monthly, 0 is back here. 1, we're following the super cycle, which is blue, Roman numbers and in brackets. Wave 1 at this high, July 2000. Wave 2 down here, April 2009. And wave 3, we're in that wave 3 right now. Break it down to the weekly. We have we're looking for the cycle, which is here. That's a wave C, and right now we're in a wave 1 for the cycle degree, and its structures have been completed, and we're in a primary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're in a wave 5 of a primary, and when we break that down further, we want to get down to the minute degrees, as you know. We're in a wave 3 of an intermediate. There's 1, there's 2, and a wave 3 is up. And the subwaves are the minor 1, 2, 3. 3 hasn't been completed. And if we look for more possibilities and deeper thoughts, we go to the minute, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we took a trade on here. All our subsequent trades have been hit and taken out, and now we're taking a trade on the pullback of the 3 to the 4 of the minute. We entered at 1936. Our stop level is at 1898, and once price pushes up further, we can start to consider to be able to move our stop up further to get out of any opportunity of losing any of our account. We have another entry at 1921.8. Should there be a deeper pullback, but currently now price is holding quite nicely on this particular level, and notice how it's holding on the level of the 127.2 level, which is this extension of the Fibonacci, as you can see there. So we're looking for price now to take us to our targets, and our target will be, we have targets at 1949 and 1958. Also target at 1977.1. that will actually complete our wave, and that's where our target is going to head up to. Okay, let's move to the next one, US oil. Where are we with our wave count right now? I think I'll have to take it to the weekly so you can actually see where we are. Super cycle is in a wave 3, and the cycle, super cycle is in blue and in brackets. The cycle is in 1, 2, we're in a wave 3. Subwaves are the primary, which is red and in a circle. So right now there's 1, 2, and we're in a wave 3. So when we break that structure down a little bit further, we get to the intermediate, wave 1, wave 2, and up for a wave 3. Okay, we projected wave 3 to end here of the intermediate at 12597. We'll be trading all these things, but in small step-by-step processes. Breaking the intermediate, we have the minor wave, which is in pink. There's 0, 1, 2, and we're in a wave 3. Wave 3 has been mapped out. The 161 dot level is at 119.95, and the 100% is close to and just above the wave 3 of its subordinate line, which is the minute, and that 161.8 is very close to the 100% level of its major wave. So coming out there would be a fantastic opportunity. So now let's have a look at our trades. Whereas our trade is 31, let's just see how many points, 530 points in profit, and we've hit all our targets as we came up this ladder, and now we got the final target to hit. We'll have to see if price is going to come out at the 127 level, which is 108.50. That's going to be quite interesting. Yep, so watching this level right now, this current candle where we're in play, is price going to hold there? Is it going to go further? we know the next stop is the 127 level. So we'll have to be watching these things very carefully and following our necessary counts. Our next issue is going to be moving our stop level from 96.34 to a very other safe location. Right now I need a little bit more movement for this particular in terms of price. I want to see the wave 3 completed and then come down to complete the wave 4, and once the wave 4 is completed, then I'll move my stop up based on the Elliott Wave rules. So that's what we're looking for, and when we hit that wave 4, we're going to be adding on a little bit more trades on to complete the necessary. Okay, fine, so let's move to our favorite instrument right now, is the US30. When I say favorite, because we're looking forward to a possible ending diagonal. That's right, this is what our wave count is telling to us. Let's go up and start giving you the necessary count. We're of course in a wave 5, and that's the key thing. A wave 5, a wave 3, which is the largest wave, which is the cycle degree. That's the black hand in Roman numbers. That's where it will end here, and then let's move it up here so you can actually see a little bit better. Can you see a little bit better? And then when we take it down, so I told you wave 3 of a cycle degree, and then we have its subwaves, which is the which is in red, the primary, red and in circles. Its subwave is the intermediate, that's in green and in brackets, and both are ending very close to here. The ratio, the areas where they hit is pretty much bang on the same. So this one, the intermediate, is going to close close. Yeah, so the intermediate, which is green and in brackets, you know, the 127 level, which is at 17290, and then we have a confluence area, which is the primary, going to close here at the 161.8 level at 17334. So we have this area here, which is going to be very, very interesting and tasty to witness. And then what we can expect, we're going to see a few things we're going to see to be able to complete this movement down. We need to get more deeper in, and we're going to look at the subwave, which is the minor, which is in pink. As you can see, our entries are here, and what we're going to do, we're going to take on a wave 2 down at the 61.8 level, and then price is going to come up here, right? We're going to get out at the 78 or even 100%, but to be safe, the 78% level, or even just here at this top here, and then price is going to come down below, give us a throw under, right, for the wave 4. Then we're going to go up, hit the wave 5, come out before it starts rocketing down. When it goes up, you're going to see a throw over, right? Price is going to hit around here and then sharply fall down and give us to this particular level, about 900 points to be able to be taken. And we're going to be watching this very carefully. It's going to take some time to complete. As you can see, we've got our lines drawn from the highs, and still there is divergence presence. As you can see, we've got an awesome oscillator down here, and you can see we've got another line from 0 going to 2, hitting the outer one, and then we've got another one from 2 to 4. Right, so that's going to be quite interesting to look at. Now, in fact, that was what we were going to be looking at. But anyhow, we've covered that particular instrument already. So let's now look at its alternative. The alternative count is still the same, but just showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the larger wave, which is the intermediate, and I have not taken it down for an ending diagonal, and just giving it as a complete parallel wave. Yeah, so actually that follows the rules and patterns for the Elliott wave. Okay, fine. So I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.